The foods we consume every day play a significant role in our overall health, including our risk of developing cancer. Scientific research has shown that certain dietary habits can either increase or decrease the likelihood of cancer. For example, consuming processed meats, foods high in preservatives, or those contaminated with harmful substances may elevate cancer risk. On the other hand, a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help protect against disease. Therefore, making safe and informed food choices is essential for long-term health. By understanding the connection between daily nutrition and cancer risk, we can take proactive steps to safeguard our well-being. Processed meats such as sausages, bacon, and canned meats are commonly consumed for their convenience and flavor. However, these products often contain preservatives and chemical additives that help extend shelf life and enhance taste. Scientific studies have shown that regular consumption of processed meats may increase the risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. The chemical compounds used in preservation, such as nitrates and nitrites, can form carcinogenic substances during processing or cooking. Health experts recommend moderating intake of these meats and opting for fresh alternatives when possible. Understanding the risks associated with processed meats is important for making informed dietary choices. Foods that are fried at high temperatures, such as potato chips and snack cakes, can produce harmful compounds. One of these is acrylamide, a substance that has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Acrylamide forms when certain starchy foods are cooked at temperatures above 120 degrees Celsius. The process is most common in foods that are baked, roasted, or deep-fried. Regular consumption of these items may contribute to long-term health risks. Awareness of these potential dangers can help guide healthier eating choices. Sugar-sweetened beverages and soft drinks are not only linked to obesity, but they also pose a risk for cancer due to their impact on the body's metabolism. Consuming these drinks can lead to an increase in body fat and disrupt normal metabolic processes. Studies have shown that excessive intake of sugary beverages may contribute to the development of certain types of cancer. The high sugar content can promote inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which are associated with cancer risk. It is important to be aware of these potential health consequences when choosing what to drink. Canned foods and products containing high levels of preservatives and artificial colorings may pose long-term health risks. These additives are often used to extend shelf life and enhance appearance, but frequent consumption can have negative effects. Studies have linked certain preservatives and synthetic colorants to an increased risk of cancer. Over time, these substances may accumulate in the body, potentially disrupting normal cellular functions. Choosing fresh, minimally processed foods can help reduce exposure to these harmful compounds and support overall well-being. Foods such as rice, beans, and corn are particularly susceptible to mold if they are not stored properly. When these foods become moldy, they can contain aflatoxin, a potent carcinogen. Aflatoxin is produced by certain types of fungi and poses serious health risks when ingested over time. Consuming contaminated food can increase the risk of liver cancer and other health complications. Proper storage and handling are essential to minimize the presence of aflatoxin and ensure food safety. Charred grilled foods, especially meats, can produce harmful compounds such as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, known as PAHs, and heterocyclic amines, or HCAs. These substances are formed when meat is cooked at high temperatures, particularly over an open flame. Research has shown that both PAHs and HCAs have the potential to negatively impact human health. Their presence in food has been linked to an increased risk of certain diseases, including cancer. Understanding how these compounds are created can help inform safer cooking practices and dietary choices. Moderating the consumption of heavily charred foods may reduce exposure to these risks. Certain types of cooking oils, when reused multiple times for frying, can generate oxidized compounds and free radicals. These substances are formed as the oil breaks down under high temperatures. The presence of oxidized compounds and free radicals in food has been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Repeatedly heating oil not only affects its flavor and nutritional value, but also poses potential health hazards. It is important to be aware of these risks and consider using fresh oil for frying whenever possible. Choosing fresh foods over processed, fried, or canned products can significantly reduce the risk of cancer. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that help protect the body's cells. In contrast, processed foods often contain additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that may contribute to the development of cancer. Limiting the intake of fried and packaged foods also helps decrease exposure to harmful substances formed during cooking or preservation. By prioritizing fresh ingredients in daily meals, individuals can support their overall health and lower cancer risk. Recognizing and modifying our eating habits plays a crucial role in safeguarding our health. By making conscious choices about the foods we consume each day, we can significantly reduce the risk of developing cancer linked to dietary factors. Small changes, such as incorporating more fruits and vegetables or limiting processed foods, can have a lasting impact. Understanding the connection between nutrition and disease empowers us to take proactive steps toward a healthier future. Ultimately, mindful eating is an essential strategy for disease prevention and overall well-being. Cancer is a complex disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells within the body. It can affect nearly any organ or tissue, leading to a wide range of health challenges. Understanding the underlying causes of cancer is crucial, as it enables individuals and communities to take preventive measures and make informed decisions about their health. Factors such as genetics, lifestyle choices, environmental exposures, and infections can all contribute to the development of cancer. By gaining a clear understanding of these causes, we can better identify risks and promote early detection, ultimately improving outcomes for those affected. Genetic factors play a significant role in the development of cancer. Certain inherited genetic mutations can increase an individual's susceptibility to specific types of cancer, such as mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes, linked to breast and ovarian cancers. These mutations may be passed down from parents to children, elevating the risk within families. Additionally, spontaneous gene mutations can occur during a person's lifetime due to environmental exposures or errors in cell division. These acquired mutations may disrupt normal cell growth and division, leading to uncontrolled cell proliferation and tumor formation. Overall, both inherited and acquired genetic changes contribute to cancer risk, highlighting the importance of genetics in understanding and managing the disease. Environmental factors play a significant role in the development of cancer. Exposure to certain chemicals, such as those found in tobacco smoke or industrial pollutants, can damage cellular DNA and trigger mutations that may lead to cancer. Radiation, including ultraviolet rays from the sun and ionizing radiation from medical imaging or nuclear sources, is another major contributor, as it can disrupt normal cell processes and promote uncontrolled growth. Pollution, both in the air and water, introduces harmful substances into the body, increasing the risk of various cancers over time. The combined effects of these environmental factors often depend on the duration and intensity of exposure, as well as individual susceptibility. Understanding these influences is crucial for developing effective prevention strategies and reducing cancer incidence in the population. Lifestyle choices and daily habits play a significant role in influencing cancer risk. Smoking is widely recognized as a leading cause of various cancers, particularly lung cancer, due to the harmful chemicals present in tobacco. Excessive alcohol consumption can also increase the likelihood of developing cancers of the liver, mouth, and throat. A diet high in processed foods and low in fruits and vegetables may contribute to cancer risk, while balanced nutrition supports overall health. Regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces the risk of certain types of cancer. By making mindful decisions about smoking, drinking, eating, and exercising, individuals can lower their chances of developing cancer and promote long-term well-being. Cancer can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetic predisposition, exposure to harmful chemicals, unhealthy lifestyle choices, and certain infections. Environmental influences such as pollution and radiation also play a significant role. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, and lack of physical activity are among the leading preventable causes. Recognizing these risk factors is crucial for reducing the likelihood of developing cancer. Early detection through regular screenings and awareness of symptoms greatly improves treatment outcomes. Prevention and timely diagnosis remain the most effective strategies in the fight against cancer.